from a very windy canal park. Tonight we have the Fraserborg coming into canal, loading wheat pellets. We have the tug Missouri on the way to help. I think we were looking at about 21 knots right now for the wind. You can see the wind is pushing it out onto the lake here. So gonna be interesting to see a Salte arrive with these higher winds. Hope you guys enjoy. That Fraserburg was just plowing through, coming in probably one of the quickest arrivals we've seen here in a while. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll talk to you guys soon.